Hello students, these are the railway phrases from the chapter number 40, Technical and Railway Phrases. Breakdown plant. Bur with K on the line for break. Down is omitted here. Pull halved with N hook for plant. British Railways. Bur half on the line for British. Intersecting upward R with a circle is used here for railways. Charing Cross Station. Upward above the line J, upward R with NG for Charing, Cur with a circle for cross, T with shanhook for station. Chief Mechanical Engineer, J through the line, M stroke, K stroke with N hook for mechanical, N stroke J for engineer. Defective signal, D with F hook with K for defective, and S circle with K is used here for signal. Diesel engine, D through the line, S circle upward, L is used here for diesel, intersecting N is used here for engine. Dining car, D above the line with N hook with NG stroke for dining, and K with R hook is used here for car. District traffic manager, D through the line with S circle for district, ter with F hook for traffic, intersecting M is used here for manager. Driver's report, dir above the line with were with S circle for drivers, and P upward R halved is used here for report. R is omitted here. Engine driver, N intersecting here with dir above the line and were. Fast passenger train, F above the line with a circle for fast, P with N circle for passenger, and ter with N hook for train. First class compartment, first का जो है यहाँ पे short form, and कल with S circle is used here for class, and per halved for compartment, M and T. M is also halved with N hook for compartment. General manager, J with N hook on the line for general, intersecting it with M for manager. Goods traffic committee, G halved with a circle for goods, and ter with F hook for traffic, and the disjoint T is used here for committee. High pressure of steam, downward H above the line is used here for high. Shur, ish के साथ R का hook, shur is used here for pressure, and of omitted here, and ST loop with M stroke is used here for steam. King's Cross Station, K with a circle for King's, K with R hook is used here with a circle for cross, and T with shan hook is used here for station. Locomotive and Engineering Committee, L and upward L on the line with K is used here for locomotive, and omitted here. Engineer, N stroke J stroke on the line for engineer, and T disjoint is used here for committee. Locomotive department, upward L K is used here on the line for locomotive, intersecting at the end it with D for department. Locomotive superintendent, L upward K, same stroke on the line for locomotive is used here, intersecting at the end with SPR for superintendent. Loss in transit, upward L with S circle is used here for loss. N is omitted here. Ter, N stroke S circle T through the line चले गए outline is used here for transit. Main line, M stroke N stroke is used here for main, and downward L with N hook is used here for line. Paddington Station, P above the line, D is used here for Paddington. S circle T with chan hook is used here for station. Passenger brake van, P with NS circle is used here for passenger. Bar with K is used here for brake. V with N hook is used here for van. Passenger traffic committee. P and a circle above the line is used here for passenger. Ter with F hook is used here for traffic, and disjoint T is used here for committee. Passenger train. P and a circle above the line is used here for passenger. Ter with N hook is used here for train. Passengers luggage. P and a circle above the line is used here for passengers. Upper L J gay with J is used here for luggage. Permanent way committee. Per on the line M stroke N stroke is used here for permanent. Way upward is used for way, and disjoint T is used for committee. Railway directors. Intersecting upward R is used here for railway, with dir with a circle on the line for directors. Railway executive. Upward R intersecting here is used for railway. K a circle K with V hook is used here for executive. Railway manager. Intersecting upward R is used here for railway, and M stroke is used here for manager. Railway receiving station. Upward R disjoint is used here for railway. Another upward R with a circle, V with S circle, and T station is used here for receiving station. St. Pancras station, S circle and halved for T, P N with R hook for Pancras, S circle T with Chan hook for station. Sleeping saloon, S circle upward L through the line with P is used here for sleeping. Another circle with upward L with N hook is used here for saloon. Station master, S circle T on the line is used here for station. M stroke STR loop is used here for master. Superintendent of the line, SPR above the line is used here for superintendent. Intersecting upward L with N hook is used here for line of the omitted here. Telegraph superintendent. Tel on the line, GR with F hook is used here for telegraph. Intersecting SPR is intersecting here for superintendent. Third class compartment. Third halved on the line is used here for third. K with S circle is used here for class, and per halved for compart, and M with N hook halved for ment. Third class compartment. Traffic manager. Ter with F hook above the line for traffic. Intersecting M stroke is used here for manager. So these are the railway phrases from the chapter number 40. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.